today I'm gonna show you how to make a hoverboard right now. So would you look at what it says? Subscribe. That's what everyone watching should do. Smack it. Now if you do this, first here's a quick preview. It works, and can it make it to the end? Well, I can fly over stages, but as soon as I go here, I drop off here. You might say, but how do you drop off? You have to press that glue right there and... No, that's how I advertise. No, it's broken. No, and also you might say my avatar has changed. So, for the rest of the month, Red Boy. Actually, this is going to be for February. I'm going to switch outfits every single month. So this is February. Open the chest and... Perfect. And then get crushed. Now, I will show you how to make it. It's quite easy. It's actually quite easy, yeah. So, the hoverboard, you must start with a simple block. It can be any type of block. You have to make it 1 and scale it to the lowest size, alright? I wouldn't make this all out of metal. You might say, but then it'd be stronger. Well, but then you can't fly because it's too heavy. Then you I use plastic. You can use metal, I don't care. But, oh wait, actually, you know how I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna go with a Lego design. Wait, I'm pretty sure this is, that sometimes happens where 0.5. You can make it as long as possible. You can even do some cool stuff with it. You gotta have the wrench tool as well. Well, you don't really need it, but if you want this piece gone, you will. Or what you can do with it, you don't always have to make it invisible. You can make something, a cool design with it. I actually kind of think that looks pretty cool. But I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna make this one, make it transparent, but next you have to have a hinge. You gotta tip it in a direction that's just like that. You can paint that too. I'm actually gonna do that. I'm gonna do that color. Then but before you save it, don't add a piece of glue because it might get irritating. But now you're like, I really want to ride this now. So you grab some glue, stand here, and it has to be like this. And you want to make sure, you can go in third person too, you want to make sure it's not touching your arms. Boop. See? Just like that. Now what you do next, you go here, you press select all, you press on anchored, and this might work, I don't know. But yep, there we go. And just like every other one, it's absolutely insane. But this is one design. There's a lot of others. Even if you comment some of your Roblox avatars, there will be 3 lucky winners, and I will make a hoverboard. I will make a hoverboard thing, but it's like looks like your Roblox avatar. But you can also do this. This is kind of a weird glitch. And I just can click that, get down, and get your sweet, sweet, sweet epic gamer gold. It's actually very fun. Very fun if you know how to control it. Yeah. Now, for the rest of this video, I'm gonna make different designs, but you might say, of what? Well, you do a ton of designs. It's pretty fun. And hey, you don't need any like seats and stuff that takes such a long time to grind. Like you don't need those huge seats. Now, you go here, you go. And if you I'm gonna make this, that will, let's see if you can guess this, alright? See if you know what this is, but I feel like people are gonna make body pillows with this. I'm not joking about that. Do you guys want your bunny pillow? But that actually that's funny. That'd be funny. I'm not saying you should because you're probably gonna get banned. And Black, if you haven't guessed yet, you're probably one of the newer viewers of the channel. 0. This is actually pretty fun making these. What the heck? No, wait, you have to make it perfectly lined up. Just when you do that, no, actually, I'm gonna make it 0. I'm gonna make some shades. Now, and whenever you suggest your Roblox avatar, it's gonna look something similar like this. Things can get stressful though, because sometimes it randomly smacks me out of the servers. I think that's very dumb. One time I was working on something. You know how you can make balls in this game, like the circles? Yeah, I was working on one of those. It was a huge project because it was very annoying. Oop. And yes, this will actually work. Bop. Bop. And I'd recommend making it like micro scaled. It is very fun like this. Making it scaled because it's really fun, dude. Now this. Now I need the. Oh, whoops. What is that? And that's done. But then there's something you gotta try. Now, let's see if this works. I bet you if this video ever gets popular, someone's gonna make a buddy pill. Oh no, wait, what? What did I forget? Huh? Wait, hold on. hoverboard. I think I found out what it is. Glue here. Okay, I see where I went, where that's kind of wrong. Oh my gosh. For some reason, this isn't really working. Hold on, let me go find out and test why this isn't working just like the others. Oh, it's not. It's working. No, the others are working, but like, why not? Now if I do this, I just have no clue what's wrong with this. Oh, and also with these blocks, they change every single time you, dang. Well, what happens if I add a candy? I guess this is another thing. Nope. Guess I'm gonna turn that on real quick. I should be able to do that. But I guess that it is. I'm gonna end the video here, but if you want more tutorials like this, built-in tutorials, I've got a ton of cool tutorials. Then make sure you subscribe. Watch. I can watch. See how the subscribe button? You want to smash it into a wall, like, bang! You really gotta hit on impact. Okay, you gotta, bang! And smash that subscribe button. Oh, say you just smashed it. Boom. Nice, it's gray. Just made the subscribe button gray. Good job. And also, you can turn on notifications. I forgot the bell. But anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Alright. See, oh my god.